In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to whiten teeth using Canva in just a few simple steps. This process is quick and easy, allowing you to enhance your photos with professional looking edits. Whether you're a seasoned graphic designer or a beginner, this tutorial will help you achieve that bright white smile effect you're aiming for. First things first, head over to canva.com. If you haven't already signed into your account, click on the login button located at the upper right corner of the homepage. Canva offers several convenient options for signing in. You can use your Google account, Facebook, or simply enter your email credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the project you intend to work on. This might be an existing one you've saved or a brand new creation you're starting today. Next, select the photograph you're looking to enhance, click on it to open the edit screen. This will give you access to a variety of tools to start your editing process. Look for the option called Magic Grab, which is an incredibly powerful feature in Canva. With Magic Grab, you can specifically choose the area of the image you want to edit. We're focusing on the teeth, so be sure to select that part carefully. Once you've highlighted the teeth, you'll move on to the Adjust menu. In this section, you'll find several sliders that will allow you to tweak various aspects of the image. To whiten the teeth, use these sliders to adjust the brightness and contrast until you reach the desired look. Carefully drag and drop the sliders, observing how each movement affects the tone and brightness. Now, it's important to try for a natural look, so be mindful not to overdo it. Stay within a range that enhances the teeth without making them look unnatural or overly bright. Take your time adjusting and continue tweaking until you're satisfied with the results. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click on Done. To complete the process, download your newly edited image. With Canva, you can choose from several formats to ensure compatibility with your intended use, whether it's for social media, personal use, or print. And there you have it, you've successfully whitened teeth using Canva. This simple technique can make a significant difference in your photos, giving them a polished and professional look. Feel free to experiment with other features in Canva as well to further refine your editing skills. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful for adding a dazzling smile to your images. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more handy tips and tricks in the world of digital design.